In this lesson, we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 30. Are you ready? Let's go. First is onze, onze. Douze, douze. Treize, treize. Quatorze, quatorze. So 14, some people say in French, quatorze, quatorze. Okay, so it is different. African, Canadian French, and some people learn from Indian to Indian. So it is different. But I learned French in Paris, so people used to speak quatorze, quatorze. It sounds sweet, like, right? Okay. Now quinze, quinze. Seize, seize. The next is 17. It is literally 10 plus 7. 17. 18, 18. 19, 19. And 20 is 20, 20. Okay. Now 21 to 30. 21, 21. 22, 22. 23, 23. So here some people speak like 23, 23. So as I said, it is different on pronunciation, but actually I learn in French. It is 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28. 29, 29. And 30 is 30, 30, 30. Now, assignment of this lesson is watch at least 5 to 6 times this lesson and then record your voice from 11 to 30 in French. Okay. See you in the next lesson. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.